Well, my name is Julie Johnson, and I am an owner of Alpha Omega Disaster Restoration in Billings, Montana. And my company specializes in water and fire damage restoration in addition to mold remediation. I have been working with Philip at Authentic Imaging for more than 5 years. I don't know exactly the timeline, but it's been a significant amount of time, and the results have been tremendous with our company. The challenges that we were facing prior to working with Philip really were getting the word out about our company online. We have grown quickly over the last 5 to 10 years and realized that it was important for us to be present at the fingertips of our clients because with the nature of our business is emergent, it's an emergency, and people need to get in touch with us quickly. And so just having a presence online for people to do that was very important. And prior to working with Philip, we did nothing. So it was very important for us to add this to our sales model for Alpha Omega. Philip and Authentic Imaging has been a great fit for Alpha Omega Disaster Restoration. It's important to me because I am no good at stuff like this, and Philip is definitely the expert in his industry. So partnering with somebody that was much more knowledgeable than myself has been really a godsend to us, because I need somebody, an expert in that area, to drive us forward, and then I don't have to worry about it. So it's been definitely beneficial for our company. It has been a joy to get to know Philip over the last several years. What I love about working with him is our in-depth conversation about things that are way over my head, that he helps me understand in a way that I can, and using layman terms that I understand. Also, Philip's personality and just me getting to know him on a personal level has been something that has really blessed me, and I've really enjoyed the relationship that I have built with Philip. I highly recommend Philip and his team with Authentic Imaging for digital services. It is not only is he a joy to work with, our results are phenomenal. We track every lead, and we have actual data that proves that our Google searches and the work that he does on the SEO side is very good as far as the results that we receive.